Yo, what's up guys? Back with another PvP 1v1 fixed challenge. And today I'm going up against Fading. He challenged me a while ago and now we finally got around to do it. Just said good luck to him and let's get into this guys. Hope you like the video. And if you do want to challenge me on fixed PvP, let me know in the comments. Hope you're enjoying the video guys. Let's go. And it looks like this is it. Goes all the way down to this. Oh, I've just seen it's GG. Good game, Faden. It was a good match. It was close. And again, if anyone wants to challenge me, let me know in the comments. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.